Goodrich, we don't just process potatoes, we perfect them. Specializing in dehydrated potato products, including flakes, granules and cut potatoes. We are one of the very few companies worldwide to offer these under one flagship. That's what makes us global leaders in potato processing. Quality, innovation, and a commitment to excellence. With roots in India and a reach across the globe, Goodrich stands tall. Our 45-acre flagship facility in Karnal, Haryana is the heart of our operations, driving excellence in food processing. With offices in London, Melbourne, South America and Vietnam, we are taking our expertise to every corner of the world. Safety isn't just a checkbox, it's the foundation of everything we do. We hold top-tier certifications from FSSAI, Halal, BRCGS, Kosher, USFDA, Zed Gold and Star Export House. We pride ourselves on maintaining stringent safety practices within our facilities to ensure that our products are consistently high quality and safe for consumers worldwide. Our process is as precise as it is innovative. We select only the finest potatoes, sourced from over 7,000 acres of contract farming. These potatoes undergo washing, peeling, slicing, blanching and drum drying under our advanced technology to create our signature soft textured flakes. Goodrich is proud to offer a wide array of innovative products. We produce various grades of potato flakes, from low bulk density to the finest 800 bulk density flakes as well as 10 mm potato flakes. Few global manufacturers can match this level of variety under one roof. We boast fully equipped in-house testing facilities capable of measuring key parameters like moisture content, reducing sugars and viscosity. Our state-of-the-art labs ensure that only the finest products leave our doors. Driven by visionaries, powered by innovation. We are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in food processing. With a commitment to excellence and a passion for innovation, Goodrich is poised to be leading player in the global food processing industry for years to come. At Goodrich, our capabilities go beyond potatoes. We process carrots, cabbage and more, providing a diverse range of products that cater to varied consumer needs and industry demands. Over the years, our expertise has expanded even further, producing an array of related products like barley malt, non-dairy creamers, and bakery yeast. Goodrich is committed to delivering excellence in every product, every time. With cutting-edge technology, rigorous quality control, and a passion for potatoes. We are not just about processing food, we are about building a future of innovation and sustainability. Think potato, think Goodrich.